Goal! It's all about a good team and a good tool. Let's have a look on the CODEO tooling.
Welcome to A Cup of CODEO, your 5-minute tutorial.
We start in the CODEO main perspective. On the left side in the Project Explorer, I have two projects. Both are POSIX projects. The first one I have modified. I started as a hello world, and then I modified the code to write a small library that just prints some information on the screen. What I want to do now is using this library in my POSIX application project. In order to compile the library, I've modified the makefiles. I added 2 lines to install the binary artifact and the header file into the custom pool. The custom pool is a standard location for PikeOS to find includes and artifact files. Now let's install it. Once it's built and installed, I can find the header file and the archive file inside the pool. Now let's go over to the POSIX project and include our files. Again, this is a standard Hello World program. I will do it like in any C program and just include my library. Now CODEO comes up with a warning, telling me that there's an unresolved inclusion. That's because the library is not yet in my project. To add the library, I have to add the LD flags to my makefile. With this, the library is getting added. First I have to save. Switching over to the C code, the warning disappears and the file can be found. You can also verify the includes in the include folder inside your Project Explorer. Let's go a bit further. Let's add a define around the include in order to enable and disable the include. The gray color in background indicates that this line is now disabled. Now we can switch over to the makefile again and use the C flags to add a symbol and enable the code. After saving, CODEO will instantly indicate the code lines enabled. The same approach works also for the standard parameters, like debug. This way you can easily see what code lines are related to parameters or flags in your makefile.
And that's how you can use the CODEO IDE. Thank you for watching, see you next time.
You can try out our CODEO IDE together with a free ELinOS test version. Go to our website and start your experience.